When it comes to travel mistakes, as a concierge, I've seen it all. So I decided to put together a list of my top 6 travel essentials. These are the top 6 things you must travel with to ensure that your next travel experience is a seamless one. A solid carry-on bag. Bonus points if it's a backpack. If you have a solid carry-on bag, especially properly packed, it can save you such a headache later on. Ideally, you want to travel with a carry-on bag that's large enough that you can really just travel with that bag. But if you do have to have a checked bag, which I'm not judging because I'm definitely guilty of always having a checked bag, it's great because you want to be able to include outfits for multiple days, all of your TSA-friendly toiletries, and enough items to get you through several days should your checked bag get delayed or lost along the way. Sneakers. I'm talking versatile shoes here. A pair of shoes that you can go ahead and throw on if you want to squeeze in a workout, like I do, but mainly shoes that are comfortable enough that you can travel in, sightsee in, and walk for miles in. Now, I do know that some hotels do have those running shoes for rent programs. I'm personally not a huge fan of those, so go ahead, plan ahead, and pack your own. A lightweight, wrinkle-free blazer. Sounds like a dream, I know, but they do exist. First of all, you want to pack an extra blazer with you just in case you get invited to a last-minute event. This way you can throw on the blazer and simply dress up your outfit. Secondly, wrinkle-free. This means you don't have to worry about trying to steam or iron your blazer when you get to your destination. All the techie stuff. After all, we live in a world where technology is so much embedded into all of our everyday lives. So I'm talking about things like phone chargers, laptop chargers, extra phone batteries, camera batteries, headphones, adapters, pretty much all of the tech-related things that you might need to make sure that your next trip is tech issue free. And after all, if you have to go ahead and buy replacements along the way, it ends up being such a waste of money. So plan ahead and pack these items. The TravelSmart app by Allianz. Speaking of techie stuff, you'll have to download and use the TravelSmart app by Allianz. Now, I'm all for having useful information at my fingertips, and this app is packed full of all sorts of useful goodness. I'm talking about local emergency numbers to local assistance from helping you find a hospital to an embassy. There's also a flight tracker, a medical translator, and should you have an Allianz plan, you can go ahead and get policy details, file a claim, and even talk to an Allianz rep directly through the app. When it comes to staying safe on the road, this is a must-have app. TSA PreCheck and Clear. If you haven't gotten on this bandwagon yet, then you are definitely missing out. TSA PreCheck significantly reduces the number of security processes you have to do with TSA. Now, this means you don't have to take off your shoes and you don't have to take out your laptop when going through the X-ray machine. Now, take it a step further and get Clear. Clear is like the faster version of TSA PreCheck. With Clear, you can go ahead and breeze through the long ID check lines, and it guides you directly to the screening lines, making the security process easier and quicker. So there you have it. Those are my top 6 travel essentials that'll make sure your next trip is off to a great start. As with anything, there are countless number of travel tips and hacks. So if you have one, be sure to share it with us. We'd love to hear what you've found to make your traveling experience easier along the way. So until next time, travel happy.